Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a pattern to clothing. Let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into the work. I will be adding the pattern to this white dress. First, I need to select the dress. Here, I am using the quick selection tool to speed up the process, but you can use the pen tool if needed. So far, so good. The selection is done. Now, hold Ctrl+J to place the selection onto a new layer. Right-click on the new layer and convert it into a smart object. Next, go to the Filter menu, select Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 4 pixels. Now, save the PSD file. Name it anything you like, and click Save. Next, I will place the floral pattern from my folder. Click and drag it onto Photoshop. Adjust it to cover the entire selection. Right-click on this layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Delete the Smart Filter. Now, select the pattern layer, go to the Filter menu, and from Distort, select Displace. Here, it gets a little tricky. You'll need to decide the scale based on your pattern. I'll keep it at 30, then click OK. Select the Displace file I saved earlier and click Open. The Displace filter is now applied to the dress. Next, from Blending mode, select Multiply. Now go to Layer Style and choose Blending Options. Here, hold Alt on your keyboard, click the slider, and drag to blend the whiteness. It looks great. Now click OK. The pattern is now perfectly placed. That's it, guys. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.